everyone, it's Lynn. Welcome to my channel. So today is time for one of my 5-minute makes. You might be wondering why I've got some tissue on my desk. Well, it is to make, wait for it now, it's not a card today. It is actually some lovely paper tissue flowers. So without further ado, let me get started and I'll show you how to make them. Okie dokie, so to start, all I've got here is a paper napkin, and all I want to do is just cut along where the napkin is folded in half like so. And that gives me 2 pieces now. Next, once you've layered the 2 pieces on top of each other, what we want to do is start folding the napkin into an accordion fold like so, going across your napkin forward and back like this until we get to the end. Then next what you want to do is take a piece of thread, twine, ribbon and pop it to the center of the napkin and just tie a little knot. I do mine a couple of times. Now then I want it tight enough so that it doesn't work itself loose, but not too tight where I'm not able to move the tissue. So just a couple of knots like so, and that should keep that well together. Now next what I want to do, I've just taken one of my colouring pens and all I'm doing is just taking the pen and popping that like so, touching the ends of the tissue like so, and then the same at the other side. Just run the pen through the tissue like this. So next all we want to do is open the napkin up, and what I want to start doing is taking each layer of my napkin and pulling it up towards the center, so away from the layers behind. Make sure you get each one separated out. It is really easy to do, and just pull that up to the center like so. Then once you've opened the other side, come across to this side and do the same again, just splitting the layers and pull those up towards the center like so. Okay, so there's our first layer into the center. Then you will come again to your second layer and pull that one up towards the center like this, and then come across to the other side and do the same on the other side. And you will do this for each of your layers. It's a lovely fun craft to do, and I think the effect is really pretty. So just continue going around and just make sure that you take each layer and separate them out. Looks a little bit more difficult than it is, but honestly it's not. And you just pull those towards the center. You can see the flower starting to form. Now on to my next side. So if you go to one side first and then you go across to the other side, it will make things a lot easier. I think I am on to my last layer, so I will just pull this up like so. Take my next side and do the same on the other side. So separate that one like so, pull it up towards the center, and then pull my last layer up like so. And how stunning is that? Absolutely beautiful. Oh, here we go. Here are my finished paper tissue flowers. I really love making these. They're so simple and quick to make. And what I like to do is take my favourite perfume or my favourite flower spray and spray the flowers, and then I pop them onto my gift bags and gift boxes. And they really take the gift to another level. The smaller ones I like to pop onto my cards. You can make these in loads of different sizes. You could go bigger than these and smaller again than the ones in the center, but how pretty are these? So yeah, if you like what you see, would you please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Thanks ever so much for joining me. I will be back again soon. Happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye for now.